good.
I'm, and I'm using it. Is there is it good, or it is similar to virtual or VMware setup?
Using as a live boot, it will not save your folders and all. Okay, any file you are created, you will not save because it is live. You just insert pen. You can insert in pen drive or CD, just like you did in DVD drive or in CD, and you just use. It will not create any problem. You can use in anyone's computer and all. You can work anywhere with that CD.
Hello,
Yes, please.
Hello.
Sir,
sir. You mean I can use USB drive, right?
Yes, you can use in a pen drive too.
Okay, okay. It means if I use my USB drive, I won't be able to delete. I won't delete anything. matlab, like folders. Folder will be saved.
No, the folder and
Like you
files
said,
like
like
like you are working in suppose let me create a scenario here. Suppose if I install the Kali machine I'm using my Kali machine as a live boot, okay, as you said in pen drive. So
yeah.
whatever the what I will do, it will not save.
Okay, 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 okay. Now I get it.
Okay.
It means virtual machine is better.
Yeah, I will suggest virtual machine as installer part. In virtual machine also we have two part. Okay, in live you can use it as a live or you can use it as an installer. It will get installed
So
like Windows machine.
yeah. Okay, 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 okay.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, pl-
can you send us yesterday PPT, sir?
Uh, can you please repeat? Yes. Hello.
Sir, I didn't get attend yesterday's class.
Okay.
So can you send us yesterday's PPT, sir?
You can contact with the host. Okay, they will just provide you.
Hello, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes.
Hello,
Hello.
sir. Sir, if we using VMware or virtual machine setup, and we are using Windows or any other operating systems in their virtual machines, if any malware or ransomware attack happens, is it affects on main?
No, no, no. That is the main advantage of using VirtualBox or virtualization. Anything happens in my Kali machine, anything gets malware or get ransomware attack or any virus, it will not affect my main Windows machine. If I get any ransomware attack, I will just delete my Windows machine. Sorry, in my the main Kali machine, and it will not affect my main machine. The main advantage of using the virtual box is this.
और is it possible to फाइल शेयरिंग भी हो सकते हैं क्या उनसे?
हाँ,
मेन
फाइल
ओएस
शेयरिंग हो सकता है. Like suppose, okay,
वर्चुअल मशीन से मेन ओएस का फाइल शेयर हो सकते हैं क्या?
yes, the file share can be possible. Like if I want to transfer this password.txt file here, I will just drag and drop it. But you need to make sure you have the shared folder enabled. Okay, I will just copy. See,
Hello, sir.
yes,
So whichever tools you have mentioned in further classes, we will come to know now what is the use and how to use that all.
yes. Every tool has their own function and all working. Okay, they have their own individual commands and all.
Yeah, but whichever tools you have taken name like forensic tools and other database tools or WP WordPress tools that
Yes, yes,
in this webinar means in further classes we will
yes.
come to know
Definitely,
now
you will
what
get.
is the use.
Yes, definitely, you will get. Like
Okay.
tools like Burpsuit, SQL Map, and all. You will
Yeah.
get to know in the bug bounty, bug hunting session. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, please.
Sir, like, what about the IP address if you are like, accessing a website from the normal Windows machine and compared to
Okay.
the like Kali Linux in VirtualBox? Like, is the
Okay.
IP similar, like same?
No, the IP is not similar.
Okay.
Like
The IP address
if
also changes in the VirtualBox.
can you repeat?
like I'm saying, like if I'm like accessing a website from a
Okay.
Windows machine,
Okay.
like accessing a website from Kali Linux in my VirtualBox.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the IP address is going to be the same, or is it going to be different?
The IP address will be going to be different.
Okay,
The
okay.
IP address of your Windows machine and your
Yes.
Kali machine will be different.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Sir, which Debian you will prefer for penetration testing, whether it will be Kali Linux or Parrot? Which is better according to you?
Accordingly, I will say, from my personal experience, I will say, using Kali machine is more convenient to use. Okay, so I have not used Parrot, but I find more useful. Find more convenient in using Kali machine. The tools and everything is in more advanced way, I will say. It's upon your point of view. If you are comfortable in Parrot, you can use Parrot. But both are just wonderful, I will say. Hello? Hello?
Okay, so another doubt.
Yes, please.
So if we are dual booting a system with Kali and
Yes.
like Windows, like does
Yeah.
it affect the like Windows side of the like machine? Like
No, it does
yes.
don't affect your Windows machine, but
Okay.
the main problem comes in the hardware part. Okay.
Okay.
If you have 4 GB RAM, then it will your main primary operating system will get a little more slower because
Okay. It
it
like
gets
it affects the performance a little bit.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, if the attendees have any more questions, then please ask to sir. We have very limited time constraints, so ask fast.
हेलो सर।
Yeah. Hello.
सर मैं पूछ रहा था कि विंडो 10 के साथ सब सिस्टम लिनक्स यूज कर सकते हैं ना, तो वो सही रहता है क्या?
Sub Linux like Parrot, Backtrack, or other Linux machine you are talking about?
यस सर।
Yes, it is.
तो सर उसमें बाउंडेशन कुछ रहती है क्या, या फिर
Condition
नॉर्मली?
conditions like backtrack जो है, suppose you want to use backtrack Linux other than Parrot and Kali, so backtrack थोड़ा बड़ा है, okay, it is a little more bigger size than other Kali machine, so it needs 8 GB, a minimum of 8 GB RAM and all.
और सर जैसे कि अगर इनिशियली स्टार्ट करना है लिनक्स सीखना, तो सही
Okay.
रहेगा क्या काली से, या फिर उबंटू से
Yes,
करना सही रहेगा?
Kali Ubuntu is both are best. You can start with Kali too.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
Yes, thank you.
I have one question here. If the
Yes.
network adapter setting allows the VM to contact back to the host machine, then for example, if the virus comes to the VM and then it is it is programmed so that it can copy itself into the host machine and then execute there. In that case, the virus which would have come from VM can attack the host machine itself.
Okay, suppose let me clear this doubt. Suppose if any file, okay, if any of your file has a virus, suppose there's a PDF file which a virus, okay. If you are sharing that PDF file to your Windows machine, then the virus will definitely affect your primary Windows too.
Yeah, but might be the file is programmed in such a way that it can copy itself from VM to the host machine and then it gets executed there.
Till now I didn't got any case like this, like the way you said.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Thank
Uh, Excuse me, sir. So we would like to conclude the session, and please tell us if we want to learn something more from you, then how should we connect to you?
Please. Yeah. So let me conclude this. So yes, thank you for all the participants to join and bearing with this. I know this boring little board topic, but the more you are practice, more you will practice in the Kali machine, it will get more interesting. Okay, so you work with more tools, you learn more tools, you work play with more tools, it will get lot more interesting. So if you have any further question or some problem comes to you, just contact me in LinkedIn as Kunal does. I will definitely reply you.
Sir, can I add one last doubt, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I just came out through one concept which is known as Windows subsystem for Linux. Can you tell us shortly about it a little bit?
Can you please repeat?
WSL, sir. Windows subsystem for Linux.
Windows
Subsystem for Linux or Linux.
Windows system for Linux.
Yes, sir.
Linux.
Windows subsystem for Linux. WSL. Something it's there, sir.
Okay, I never got to this question. Okay,
Okay,
I
okay,
don't know about this.
okay, sir.
Maybe Google may help you.
Okay, sir. I'll find it. Thank you.
Windows system for Linux. I think the Linux which I have shown you, it is the
Yes.
Windows. Like the thing
No,
which
it's
you are
something
saying.
like, sir, Windows directly Windows supports Linux commands or something similar to that. I don't know that in detail.
Okay, let me.
Windows subsystem for Linux.
S- Sir, if we want to connect to you
Okay,
further for
I got it.
any
I
more
got it. I got it.
learning,
Yeah, it is the disk to install in your
Okay,
Kali. This is the WSL version. Okay,
okay, sir.
the thing which you are saying.
Yes, yes.
sir, we will now like to conclude the meeting. Actually, we have the time constraint, so thank you so much for joining with us and sharing your valuable knowledge with us, sir.
Thank you
We are
all.
very, we are very pleased to hearing you, and we would like to hear you in future too. So if there is
Thank you, sir.
any means to contact you in future, then please share with us.
Sure, sure. I will definitely.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Mr. Saurabh Kashyap, I would request you to end the meeting.